Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to watch Amazon Prime Video on your PS3 in HD. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure you have the best viewing experience. Step 1. Ensure your PS3 is set up. Make sure your PS3 is properly connected to your TV using an HDMI cable. This connection is essential for HD quality. Turn on your PS3 and ensure it's connected to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Update your PS3 system. Software. Go to the Settings menu on your PS3 dashboard. Select System Update and follow the prompts to ensure your console has the latest software. This is crucial for compatibility with the Amazon Prime Video app. Step 3. Download the Amazon Prime Video app. Navigate to the PlayStation Store on your PS3. Use the search function to find Amazon Prime Video. Select the app and choose the download option. Once downloaded, it will be installed automatically. Step 4. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app. Return to the PS3 dashboard and find the Amazon Prime Video app in your game application library. Click on the app to launch it. Step 5. Sign into your Amazon account. You will be prompted to sign into your Amazon account. Enter your login credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Adjust video quality settings. In the Amazon Prime Video app, go to Settings or Preferences. Look for an option related to video quality. Ensure it is set to High or HD to enjoy streaming in the best quality available. Step 7. Start watching your favorite content. Browse through the content library on Amazon Prime Video. Select a movie or TV show to watch. The content should stream in HD as long as your internet connection is stable. Step 8. Troubleshooting, if needed. If you experience issues with HD streaming, check your internet speed. A minimum of 5 Mbps is recommended for HD streaming. Ensure that your HDMI cable is securely connected and is of good quality. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to watch Amazon Prime Video on your PS3 in HD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.